Sunrise paints the empty streets. Another day, another dream. People running far too fast, trying hard to make it last. Some hearts break, some hearts heal. Some hide pain they never reveal. But every tear and every smile makes the journey worth the while. We fall, we rise under the same blue sky. Life goes on like a rolling river, changing fast but stopping never. Through the storm and through the rain, we lose ourselves and live again. Hold on tight when hope feels gone. The world keeps turning, life goes on. Old photographs and faded songs remind us where our hearts belong. Every road we leave behind becomes a memory in time. Sometimes love can disappear. Sometimes dreams are built from fear. But every moment that we breathe is another chance to believe. We bend, we break, but we learn from our mistakes. Life goes on like a rolling river, changing fast but stopping never. Through the storm and through the rain, we lose ourselves and live again. Hold on tight when hope feels gone. The world keeps turning, life goes on. One day we laugh, one day we cry, one day we learn the reason why. No matter how dark the night may seem, there's always light inside the dream. Life goes on no matter the weather. Broken souls still heal together. Every ending starts a new song, and in our hearts we still belong. So keep your fire burning strong and sing along. Life goes on. Life goes on.